We were talking about the second part of the reader, which is B, if you like, the remixable data and transformations of Web 2.0, basically. And we came up with a few key concepts of it, and we went through the key concepts. What else? I'm just lost here completely.
And we went through the social media using all the things that we have: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, MySpace, all those things like smartphones, and also people like Bruns, who are trying to encourage people to participate in this, which then linked us
to some of the examples of what we're doing, so like blogs, using Movie Maker, Photoshop, when you get people's opinions on things. Also teaching, doing your lesson plans, that sort of effort. You might look at different things across the internet to help you decide what you're going to teach. Then we spoke about the limitations about it, so how much control we have over the internet, copyright issues, us not creating our own ideas and we're using other people's ideas and making it into our own, social bullying, people's opinions influencing ours, etc.
So then we have the other questions. It's all of that is like a Mexican wave. So it's starting with someone on a blog maybe, and one person starts the blog and it goes up. People come in and there's more and more and more, and it just, when a famous person do it, it's even bigger because you've got so many more people. You're all well known. So just to conclude on all of these things, we use it for good things, all the internet and Twitter, MySpace, Facebook. There are some good aspects, but are there some bad points where we have so many people using them, where they're on it all the time? Which brings us to say, is there a balance big enough? And can you get that balance that's needed? And also, our last point is about the social atmosphere. Are we losing what we have and where we were as a young child to a grown adult? Are we losing the way we really learnt from just spending time outside, learning from looking at what the outside is, like trees? Some trees have apples on. Are we looking at the internet, finding that trees have apples from an internet?
Indeed.
And also from the social side of it, are we now to the point where that we're always looking at social websites and we're using our social skills and doing sort of things like that, but then are our social skills sometimes misdiagnosed?